Chulainn, the Hound of Ulster's fate. Test your knowledge of Chulainn, the mighty hero of Ulster, and see if you can match his legendary prowess. Who was Chulainn's father? What was Chulainn's birth name? How did Chulainn get his name? What weapon did Chulainn wield? Who was Chulainn's greatest rival? Chulainn fought in which epic tale? What was the cause of Chulainn's Riostrad? Who placed a gaze on Chulainn? What did Chulainn use to tie himself upright? What warrior was Chulainn forced to kill? Chulainn was a hero of which kingdom? What goddess tried to seduce Chulainn? What charioteer served Chulainn? How did Ferdiad die? What color was Chulainn's hair? What did Meb seek in Tain Ba Cuelge? How did Chulainn break his jace? You've explored the legendary life and tragic fate of Chulainn. How well did you fare against the Hound of Ulster? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more mythological stories and quizzes from Broken Sword Gaming.